In this video, I'm about to show you how to use the Socratic app effectively for students. First, open the Socratic app on your mobile device. Now, you will need to enter the room name provided by your teacher or instructor. This is important to connect the right classroom environment. After entering the room name, tap on Join to access the room. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your name. This helps your teacher identify you during the session. After entering your name, tap on Done. Once you're in, take a moment to select the option according to your preferences. This could include choosing the subject or type of question you want to focus on. Now, you'll see the question along with their explanations. This section is very useful for understanding the concepts better. Read through the question and the explanation carefully. After reviewing, tap on OK to proceed to the next step. Here, you can enter your answer to the questions. Make sure to think carefully and write your answer clearly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.